sweep our little one in here to spare room to see how things are going. And I have the teals with me. CD, where are you? CD. What are you doing over there, CD? I decided to bring little one in the bowl. It's okay, my friend. So this is apparently classic baby Budgie behavior here. The hiding. It's okay. Here we go. Can we get the focus? No, we can't get the focus. Ah, there we go. So yeah, this is classic baby Budgie behavior. And I'm being climbed all over by cockatiels. CD, you having fun with CD? Oh, it's okay. It's okay, little one. CD leapt up onto my knee, and that startled our baby. Baby's gonna have to get used to cockatiels eventually because, you know, our cockatiels and Budgies mix. That's why I brought baby in here with the teals, so baby can at least see the teals. Oh, baby's exploring a little bit here, and maybe asking for food. I'm not sure. Don't worry, we won't keep you long, baby. We'll get you back soon. Yeah, anytime anything strange moves, like my hand, baby's a little skittish. It's just natural. I gotta be careful because I tend to make fast movements. It's, you know, and it startles baby a little bit, so I'm trying to be careful about it, but it's not easy because it's kind of the way I move. Oh, are we leaving? Are we leaving the bowl? We're leaving the bowl. Okay, we're leaving the bowl. Where are we going? Where do we like to go, baby? We're gonna go. Where are we gonna go? Are we gonna hide? We might be. Oh! What's that? Oh! We're gonna scratch. Okay. A little unsteady on the feet still. That's okay. That's okay, right? Snuggle up against the sock. That'll do it. Yeah. Nice and hidden, right? Sweetie, what are you doing up there? Maui, where are you? Minnie, you're on my shoulder. Where's Maui? I get the feeling birds are wandering. You're not being very helpful. None of you are being helpful at all. You have a baby bird here. Vinny, come here. Hi, Vinny. What do you think? Do you see our friend here? Look at that. What do you think, Vinny? Not interesting, huh? No? Gonna come back with me? Okay. Kind of surprised because Vinny used to have a mate, and they, you know, did a lot of nesting, but you know, it's not a baby cockatiel, so I mean, yeah, okay. And it's been a number of years. Both Maui and Vinny are widowers and one-time rivals, but now best of friends and inseparable. Yeah, I think baby is pretty much done exploring. Has decided they're going to hide. Now we're going to go a little bit upside down here for a moment to capture baby. So I think it's time for baby to go back in the bowl and then back in place. So mama can find baby and baby can get fed. Hi, baby. Or Baby can hunker down in the hand for a bit. The hand is nice and warm, right? Hand is nice and warm. Yeah. Why do I hear a cockatiel way over there? Oh, it's CD, okay. CD is our 20% louder bird. Long story. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna put baby back in the bowl, and we'll get you all back. And I'm gonna find out where the heck Maui has wandered off to, because he's not on my back, and I can't really see behind me at the moment. But Vinny's climbing down to join him, so that's gonna be fun. Night, night, baby.